Do you want to know how you can log into your Gigamax AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Gigamax AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Gigamax AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Gigamax has now turned to ZV2. Now go ahead and click on this link and you can see that you need to sign in to access this site. What you need to do is go ahead and write down your username and the password associated with Gigamax. After you write down your username and password, then click sign in. This is the only way you can sign in to this site by Gigamax, which is called ZV2. So let me show it to you once again, guys. Open Google and then search for Gigamax AI login. After you search for Gigamax online, you can click on this link over here and then you can notice that a sign-in portal will appear. And you can write down your username, your password, then click login. This way you can access GV2, which is also known as Gigamax AI. I hope this video about how you can log into your Gigamax AI or your GV2 AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.